is after that little set down that I did, the material is actually getting fatter, and that's because you're technically upsetting it in order to make it thinner, so it'll get thinner in one direction but fatter in another. And you want to keep it kind of the same thickness. So my first thing I'm going to do when I take it out is try to flatten that out a little bit and see what happens. So the reason I have my railroad track stood up on the end is, from what I've read, you want more mass underneath what you're hitting. Seems to work pretty well for my limited knowledge of blacksmithing. But it also works if I lay it down. If I need to, like, eventually I'll have to straighten these out. I can't really do it on this. I'll have to use the flat surface on there, which I haven't ground yet, so there are some imperfections that will probably show up on the tongs, but I am okay with that. This is just mild steel. You can definitely use better metal. Since it's my first pair of tongs that I will have ever made, it's not that important if I mess it up. No money lost, just make another one. Whereas if it was really nice, fancy metal, I'd probably be out a little bit more money than like $5 I spent, $7 or something like that on this piece. So now I'm just going to try to flatten it. Alright, so I learned GoPro battery dies pretty quick. So I modified the GoPro case, drilled a hole in the side, and I now have the charger running through the case into the GoPro, plugged into the wall, and it's running off of wall voltage right now. So we'll see how that works. It's what we do on our race cars to get in-car video, so it seems to work okay on those, hoping that this will work just as well. I had to cut the forge off because I wasn't sure how long I was going to be gone, but turn the forge back on. We've got the making of some bolt tongs going on. So I believe my next step, they're just about even widthwise. They're still a little fat. I might do another heat or two to thin that out, and then we will start on the offset for the riveted area. Now that I'm in front of a camera, all of the proper tong definitions seem to have left my mind. So, yes, we're going to now essentially, fancy China marker, we're going to upset in this way to about that same thickness, and then draw all this out into the tong reins, which will probably be about yay long by the time we're done, maybe. That's my guess. I have nothing to base that on. We'll go from there. As you can see, it's cooled down quite a lot, so we'll see how quick the forge and the piece can come up to temperature. Fire maker.